Today is the beginning of the Leaders Summit. That is the beginning of the main day. As South Africans through GCIS, we want to inform all South Africans that we are starting at 8 o'clock. Today we'll be having the arrivals of the heads of states and leaders of government to Nasrec. But the process of other officials is going to start earlier at around 7. We want to plead also to all South Africans that they should bear with us in terms of the road closures from Sandton to this venue. We are expecting our President Ramaphosa, to officially open the summit at 10 o'clock. And from there on, then we would go into closed sessions where the leaders will then hammer out all the issues. Today, the whole day will be consumed by those closed sessions, and then we'll proceed then tomorrow on Sunday. That will be the very last day where the declaration will be presented and the issues will be then presented, whether adopted or agreed upon, and then from there on it will be the closing of the session. We welcome all the world readers, and government communication and information system is always available. Follow us on all our platforms and you will get all the information throughout the day. Thank you.
The GCIS, empowering South Africans through communication excellence.